Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video guys, I'm gonna share with you some amazing and very easy tips and tricks for your face, for your skin. And also for your hairs. Here are some tips and tricks for you guys. These tips and tricks are very easy to use. Here are oatmeal, yogurt, milk, baking soda, apple cider vinegar for toning your skin, honey for cleansing your skin, turmeric mask which is very useful and very amazing for your skin. Aloe vera gel. Aloe vera is very useful for your skin. If you apply aloe vera on your face, you will see the most amazing and outstanding results within a week. Honey, cinnamon powder, turmeric powder and sugar. Green tea, apple cider, these are very amazing and useful tips and tricks for your skin. If you have an acne problem, use 2 teaspoons honey, cinnamon and apple cider. Mix it well and apply it on your face. You will see the best and amazing results within a week. All tips and tricks are very easy and useful. Tomato is very effective for our skin. I hope you liked my today's video. See you soon.